This is the elevator at Dick's Sporting Goods in the Woodbridge Center in Woodbridge, New Jersey. Schindler 338 from 2003. Let's see. There's the freight elevator. Here is the elevator. The freight is in there. That's great. Whoa. Oh man, we're gonna go up to 2. This is not in good shape. Sheesh. Sheesh just has a lot of use. Stinks in here. Ugh. This thing is beaten up. Takes forever to level. Here we go. 1. Man. No. Sheesh, that door upper is loud. Schindler. Wow. Installed in 2003. Bump. Very beaten up. What a light. That light is out. HT regular, hands-free, 88 code compliant phone. Good capacity, 2,500 pounds. That's the control panel. Man, this thing's beaten up. Bump. Set this one up. Again, there's the freight elevator. There goes Ann. That's it.